Welcome to your ultimate glow-up guide. In just 1 month, you can transform your appearance, boost your confidence, and feel like the best version of yourself. Whether you want to enhance your skincare routine, improve your fitness, or revamp your style, this guide will provide you with everything you need to know. Let's get started. Skincare and hydration. The first step in your glow-up journey is to focus on skincare and hydration. Start by establishing a consistent skincare routine that includes cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen every day. Cleansing your face removes dirt and oil, while toning helps balance your skin's pH levels. Moisturizing keeps your skin hydrated, and sunscreen protects against harmful UV rays. In addition to your daily routine, make sure to exfoliate twice a week. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells, revealing a brighter complexion. Once a week, treat yourself to a face mask tailored to your skin type. This can help with specific skin concerns, such as dryness, acne, or dullness. Hydration is just as important as skincare. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Staying hydrated helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin looking plump and healthy. Alongside water, incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet. Foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E are particularly beneficial for skin health. Fitness and diet. With your skincare routine in place, it's time to focus on fitness and diet. Start a regular exercise routine that includes at least 30 minutes of physical activity, 5 days a week. This can be anything from cardio to strength training to yoga. Regular exercise not only helps you get fit but also boosts your mood and energy levels. As you work out, pay attention to your posture and core strength, as these can make a big difference in your overall appearance. Next, make some adjustments to your diet. Cut down on processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats, as these can negatively affect your skin and energy levels. Instead, focus on eating lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats like avocados and nuts. A balanced diet will provide you with the nutrients your body needs to glow from the inside out. Sleep is another essential component of your glow-up journey. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Good sleep is crucial for overall health and a fresh, glowing appearance. Hair and grooming. Now that you're halfway through your glow-up journey, it's time to focus on hair and grooming. Start a hair care routine by using shampoo and conditioner suited to your hair type. If you use heat styling tools, try to minimize their use and always apply a heat protectant to prevent damage. Once a week, treat your hair to a nourishing hair mask or oil treatment to keep it soft and healthy. Don't forget about grooming. Keep your nails trimmed and clean, and take care of your eyebrows and any facial hair. Well-groomed nails and brows can make a big difference in your overall appearance. Self-care is also important during this week. Take time to relax and unwind with activities that make you feel good, such as a warm bath, meditation, or reading. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as physical health in your glow-up journey. Style and confidence. In the final week of your glow-up journey, focus on updating your wardrobe and building confidence. Go through your clothes and pick out outfits that make you feel confident and comfortable. Consider adding a few new pieces that fit well and reflect your style. Dressing well can significantly impact how you feel about yourself. Confidence is key to glowing up. Practice good posture by standing tall with your shoulders back and chin up. Good posture not only makes you look more attractive but also boosts your confidence. Work on building your self-confidence by setting small goals for yourself and celebrating your achievements, no matter how big or small. Finally, remember to smile. A genuine smile can brighten your face and make you look more approachable and confident. Smiling also releases endorphins, which can improve your mood and overall well-being. Congratulations on completing your 1-month glow-up journey. By focusing on skincare, hydration, fitness, diet, hair care, grooming, style, and confidence, you've made significant strides toward becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, glowing up is about more than just physical appearance. It's about feeling good inside and out. Keep up with these habits, and continue to shine bright. You've got this.